Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will revise determiners. Students, as you all know, the determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. So, students, first of all, let's discuss articles. Uh, a, and the. These are called articles, and students remember that a and an are used before countable singular nouns. Okay, a and an are used before countable singular nouns. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, a is used before a consonant sound, while students an is used before words with a vowel sound. Okay, so students, a and an are called indefinite articles, and the choice between a or an is determined by sound. Like a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound, and students, these include consonants with consonant sound. For example, students, a boy, a pen, a horse, a BA, a year, etc. Then students, an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, vowel sound should be there. Okay, and students, these include vowels with a vowel sound. For example, an eye, an owl, an army, etc. And then students, consonants with a vowel sound. Okay, remember some consonants are also there with a vowel sound. For example, an astio, an ame. Here we can use article an. Okay, then students, uses of the definite article the. Students, remember that the is used to particularize a person or a thing. Okay, the is used to particularize a person or a thing. Then students, when we speak of things which are the only ones of their kind, like we can say unique things like sun, earth, then again students we use article the. Okay, particular person और thing के लिए बेटा हम क्या use कर सकते हैं? Article the. For example, students, the girl who stood first. The girl means that particular girl. Here we are talking about the particular girl who stood first. Okay, the girl who stood first was given a prize. The students, before the names of directions also we used article the. Then some more uses are also there which we have discussed earlier. Then students, let's talk about possessives. Students, possessive determiner is a type of function word, we can say, used in front of a noun to express possession or belonging. Like here students, the possessive determiners in English are like my, your, his, her, its, our. Like we have sold our house. Okay, we have sold our house. Here our is possessive determiner. Then the students thank their Thai teacher. His name is John. Here his. Okay, it's possessive. Then now students, let's talk about few, a few, and the few. Students, remember that few has a negative sense. Okay, few has a negative sense and means in none or hardly any, means like zero we can say. Okay, and a few is used in the affirmative and it means we can say some but not many. कि कुछ है but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. Okay, some but not many. And the few has both affirmative and negative sense and it means not many but all of them. For example, students, he has few friends means उसके बहुत कम friends है ना के बराबर. Okay, he has few friends, no friends, or we can say hardly any friend. Okay, next one students, he has a few friends. Here students we have used a few. A few means some, means he has some friends. Okay, a few means here some, and the few means the few friends he has are all selfish, means जितने भी उसके फ्रेंड्स हैं उसमें से कुछ. The few. Okay, the few friends he has are all selfish, means small in number, or but we can say all of them. Okay, here students, we can use like this few, a few, and the few. Okay, remember this point. Now students, next one, little, a little, and the little. Here we can use It refers to amount or quantity. Okay, little, a little and the little. It refers to amount or we can say quantity. Students, little means hardly any, and a little means some, and the little means some but not much. For example, students, he has little money means बहुत कम है. Okay, like he has no money or he has hardly any money. Okay, he has little money. Then next one, students, he has a little money means कुछ पैसे हैं उसके पास, कुछ money है. Okay, he has a little money. Then students, he has spent the money, he has spent the little money he had means बेटा जितनी भी उसके पास मनी है उसमें से कुछ उसने जो है स्पेंड कर दिया. ओके, जितनी भी उसके पास है उसमें से कुछ. तो लिटिल मीन्स वी कैन से हार्डली एनी, एंड अ लिटिल मीन्स सम, एंड द लिटिल मीन्स सम बट नॉट मच. ओके, then students, let's talk about much and many. Students, many denotes number and it is used before plural countable nouns. For example, he has many friends to help him, and many stories were written by Munshi Premchand. Then students, many a is followed by a singular noun and takes a singular verb. Okay, many a is followed by a singular noun and takes a singular verb. For example, students, many a person visits the great leader. Then next one, students, much denotes large quantity which is uncountable. Okay, here we can say like he has much money, she spent much time on the useless works. Like this here, students, we can use much. Okay, many denotes number, and students, we can say much denotes quantity. And students, few is the opposite of many and less is the opposite of much. Distributive determiners. Distributive determiners are words that give information about the noun in a clause or a sentence. Students, they may refer to a group or every individual in the group. Okay, here students, each, every, all, both, either, neither, these all are distributive determiners. So students, remember that each is used for two or more persons or things, it is definite, while students, every is used for more than two persons or things. Okay, for example, students, each of the two men are arrested. The next one, every student of the class appeared in the examination. Next, students, remember that either and neither. Students, either means one of the two persons or things. Okay, either means one of the two persons or things, and neither is the opposite of either. For example, students, you may buy either of these two pens. Okay, and here we can say that neither of them could speak on the stage. Okay, now students, next one, that is this, that, these and those. It is called demonstratives. So students, this, that, these, those point to objects denoted by the nouns that follow them. For example, this man is a villager, that horse runs very fast. Students, remember that this and that, जो बेटा this or that है, that is we can say that they take singular nouns and singular verbs after them. Okay, this and that take singular nouns and singular verbs after them. Similarly, students, these and those take plural nouns and plural verbs after them. And students, this and these point to the objects which are near, जो आपके पास में हैं. This and these point to the objects which are near, while students, that and those point to the distant objects. Okay, next students, cardinals we can say are numerals. Here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. first, second, third. Okay, these are called cardinals, or we can say numerals. Like she has 2 brothers, she has 5 brothers, she has 2 sisters. Here we can say. Then students, the first boy in the row is dosing. Okay, here to and first, it's determiners. Next one, students, interrogatives. Students, it formulates direct and indirect questions and exclamations and performs the grammatical function of determinative. Okay, here students, let's discuss two interrogative determiners, that is what and which. For example, students, what meal do you want to eat for dinner? Then students, we can use which as a determiner, like which card came from your aunt. Okay, like the students, we can use these type of determiners. Now students, I hope that all of you have understood this part well. So students, revise all these determiners, okay, and try to understand these in your writing as well as speaking skill. Okay, that's all for today, students. Thanks and have a nice day.